Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hello students, in this video we are going to solve basic equations with fractions, parentheses, variables, and both sides. So in this equation we are going to isolate x by itself. So I will move the number next to the x, minus 3, to the right. So when you move a number from one side to the other side, it changes the sign. Negative 3 becomes positive 3. Then let's bring down the 4x. So it becomes 4x equals 9 plus 3. Equation now, 4x equals 9 plus 3. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. So we bring down 4x equals 9 plus 3 equals 12. What we need to do now, we want to get x by itself. So the inverse of multiplication, which is we multiplied 4 times x. So the inverse to that is division. So x equals 12 divided by 4. And we divide 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So x equals 3. And this is our answer. We find the x. So no need to keep looking for x. X is already found. So lost and found x. Lost and found x is 3. So here's another example that you could try. 4x plus 2 equals 18. So first thing we are going to do is to isolate the x variables. To do that, let us move 2 to the right. Moving a number to the right, it changes its sign. So 2 becomes negative 2. So let us bring down 4x equals 18 minus 2. So minus 2. Now 18 minus 2 equals 16. So let us bring down 4x. So we want to get x by itself. So the inverse of multiplication is division. So to do this, to get x by itself, let us divide 16 by 4. So 16 divided by 4, or x equals 16 divided by 4. Now, then again, we find our x. X equals 4. No need to keep looking for x. There it goes. We have our x. Now, let's move on to the next example. So, let's consider this equation. We have a fraction. X over 3 minus 3 equals 9. So what we will do in this problem, we are going to move 3. So it changes the sign to positive 3. Let's bring down x over 3 equals 9 plus 3 equals 12. So x over 3 equals 12. So what we will do in this problem, the inverse of division is multiplication. So we multiply 12 times 3. So x equals 12 times 3 equals 36. There goes again. There is your x. Mr. X is equals 36. Here's another example that you could try. 5x plus 7 plus 3x equals 15. Notice that we have like terms. So the first thing that I will do is I will move 7 to the right. So positive 7 changes its sign because we move it to the right. So it becomes minus 7. So 15 minus 7. So we have here like terms 5x and 3x. So let's combine like terms. 5x plus 3x equals 8x. Let's bring down 8x equals 15 minus 7 equals 8. Now we want to get x by itself. So now let us use the inverse operation. Let us divide 8 by 8. So x equals 8 divided by 8. There you go. Again, we found our x. X equals 1. There's your final answer. So remember that if we have equation that has like terms, we just combine the like terms. Let us try this example. 5x minus 3 equals 7x plus 9. Notice that we have like terms. So to do this, we are going to move the numbers in one side and the x variables on the other side. So we move 9 to the left, becomes minus 3 minus 9. So combining like terms on the other side, so we move 5x to the right, so becomes negative 5x. So we have 7x minus 5x. Now let us solve minus 3 minus 9 equals minus 12. So 7x minus 5x equals 2x. So there you go. We have our equation. Minus 12 equals 2x. Now let us isolate x by itself. To do that, we are going to divide 12 minus 12 divided by 2 to get x by itself. Now we can divide minus 12 divided by 2, or negative 12 divided by 2 equals negative 6 equals x. And there you go. Our x is negative, so x equals negative 6. So you don't really need to keep looking for your x, especially if it's negative. Alright, let's move on to our next example. 3x plus 5 equals 5x minus 9. Again, we have like terms, so we are going to move our numbers in one side and separate our x variable on the other side. So we have our like terms, 5x and 3x. So moving 3x to the right changes its sign. So 5x minus 3x, 3x. Then we move minus 9 to the left. So our minus 9 changes its sign. It becomes positive 9. So we have 9 plus 5 equals 5x minus 3x. Now 9 plus 5 equals 14. And 5x minus 3x equals 2x. So 14 equals 2x. Now let us isolate x by itself. So we know that the inverse of multiplication is division. What we will do here, we will divide 14 divided by 2 to get x by itself. Now 14 divided by 2 equals 7. There you go. We have our x. X equals 7, or 7 equals x. Doesn't matter. It's already x. So x equals 7. So Mr. X equals 7. There you go. That's your answer. So it's only in math that we will keep looking for x. Let's keep moving forward. Let us try this example. So first we will use our distributive property. So let's multiply 5 times 2x, which is 10, and 5 times negative 3 equals 15, plus 1 equals 16. There's our equation, 10x minus 15 plus 1 equals 16. Let's bring down 10x, and negative 15 plus 1 equals negative 14. So we have 10x minus 14 equals 16. Next, we will change negative 14 to the right. So it will be 16 plus 14. So let's bring down 10x equals 16 plus 14. So let's bring down 10x equals 16 plus 14 equals 30. So 10x equals 30. Then let's isolate x by itself by dividing 30 by 10. So 30 divided by 10 equals 3. So x equals 3. And that's our final answer. Our x equals 3.
Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and press the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye bye!